Welcome to the English virtual classes. Today we are going to start with English Reader Book Unit 2 Travel, page number 22. People all over the world love traveling. Some people travel to far off places either for adventure or merely for sightseeing. Traveling is a good way to learn about the world. Also, it teaches us many interesting things about our nation and culture. We also travel to meet our family or relatives that live in another city or country. We also travel for pleasure. Now, let's start with page number 22. As soon as schools close for summer vacation, we start looking forward to various travel activities. Now, look at this holiday tree and write which places you like to visit during holidays. One example is already given, that is, I go to a hill station in summer holidays. Now, you have to write 4 more examples. Like, I go to a water park, I go to my nanny's house, I go to a beach, I go to a zoo. Now write it in the given tree. Now page number 23, poem Travel Plans. Now I am going to tell you about this poem. Listen it carefully. This poem is written by Bobby Katz. In this poem, the poet wants to visit many places and wants to do many things. He wants to say thank you in kangaroos as the kangaroo allows him to travel in its pouch. The poet wants to become famous and wants to do adventurous things like going through the needle like thread, spin like a top, skate on an ice cube, swim in a glass. He wants to ride on a grasshopper. After getting tired of being small, the poet wants to use a spell abracadabra to become tall. So, after being tall, he would do some more adventurous activities like stepping over oceans, seas, and cause a few shipwrecks when he sneezes. He wants to pat a giraffe on his head. And after seeing all these things and doing all the activities, he would like to turn back into himself. This was all about your poem. Now we will take up exercise A3, page number 24. Question number 1. List all the places where the poet wishes to go. The first one has been done for you. The answer is the poet wishes to go to the jungle, to the snow, and to the ocean. Now, question number A4. Read the extract and answer the questions that follow. The extract is, and when I had seen all that I want to see, I hope I would know how to turn back into me. This is the extract. And the question is, write 4 things that the speaker had seen. Answer. First is grasshopper, second kangaroo, third giraffe, and fourth is fish. Now next question, question number B. What does the speaker mean by turn back into me? And the answer is, the speaker means that after having seen all the places of his imagination, he wants to turn back into the human being. Next question, question number C. Why do you think the speaker wants to turn back into himself? And the answer is, the speaker wants to turn back into himself because he will get tired of being so small or so tall. Today, your homework is read poem Travel Plans and learn question answer of page number 24. Thank you and have a nice day.